I know I said I was gonna vlog every day this week, but that didn't happen because I was super busy yesterday and the day before, so sorry. But I really need to clean up in here because it is a mess. As you guys can see, like, it is a mess in here, so I am gonna be vlogging throughout today. It is 3:43, so I'm gonna be vlogging today. So yeah, hopefully this vlog is good. I'm kind of hoping for a good vlog today because Caleb's asleep, so I can vlog as much as I can right now. I should have started earlier, but I was tired earlier and my hair is a wreck because I went swimming before Javier went to work. Oh yeah, and I also want to say that anytime I get something new, I'm not trying to show it off or anything. I'm just trying to show you what I got, you know, because I would rather show you guys what I got than not show you guys what I get, because like it's fun, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there just so you guys know. And I have a cough, so I have been taking a cough. Oops. They look like this. This is what the pack looks saying. So yeah. So I am gonna play some music and like on the speaker and like clean up in here so it can be clean. So yeah, I've been just watching videos and like hanging out, but I want to clean in here. And also guys, I got my tripod. Here, I'll show you guys. Hold on, I have to like zoom in. As far as I can go, because I don't want to show you guys my stuff. So that bag right there is my tripod. See? Tripod. So yeah. So yeah, and it's the Mercury tripod, so you can get it from Walmart. Oh yeah, and also guys, I may be getting a ring light, probably from Walmart, most likely. And then I have a package coming in the mail on Tuesday. Super excited for that, and I am definitely going to make a box opening on that. So yeah, and it's not a new baby, so I wish it was, but it's not. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean up in here and probably make the bed and stuff and do that before Caleb wakes up, because I know I'm not gonna be able to do that when he's awake. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a little later. So bye. Hey guys, so I finished cleaning. And yeah, and Augie is sleeping on my pillow. Just for now. Until tonight. Until I go to sleep. Because I can't use any other pillow, because then I will get neck pain. I mean, I can, but I choose not to. It's really clean in here. Like literally, we cleaned this room last night and it was a mess again. And it didn't even take me that long to clean. Like, I ended the vlog at, I ended that last clip at 3:43, and it is now probably 4:20. Yeah. So it didn't take me that long. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my new hoverboard that I got. It's really cool. And it is rose gold. I look really tan. Either that or I'm burnt. I don't know. And my old hoverboard is in the new hoverboards box. Javier's still trying to contact people, but yeah. I have a video coming up soon. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hey guys, it's already 6:02. I've just been hanging out. I haven't been doing anything much. One of my favorite TikTokers follows me now. So that's exciting. So yay. But like I said, all I've been doing is hanging out. So yeah. Well, I was just checking stuff, and then I put this backpack right here. I was watching videos but I made it charge, so yeah. So like I said, I haven't been doing much. I've just been hanging out. Today has been feeling super long, and it's supposed to rain at 6, but it's not raining. Let me see. I'm gonna check again. Now it's saying it's gonna rain at 7. Wow. Okay. Wow. I need another cough drop. This is literally like my 10th cough drop today. So yeah. I'm so happy I got my tripod, so now I can actually do videos. I have one video I want to do. We need to get the light bulb changed in here because one of them is out. I think. Or both of them are out, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna drink some water real quick too. So I'm gonna go back and hang out some more, and then oops, oh, I'm zooming in. Oh, I'm zooming in more. Oh my goodness. So yeah, see you guys. Hey guys, it's about 7:30 and I was just outside riding on my hoverboard, and then they took Caleb on a walk. So now I'm just hanging out and it's getting dark and a thunderstorm is about to happen, so that's great. So yeah, I told you guys I was gonna vlog throughout the whole rest of the day, and I have. So yeah, I'm riding my hoverboard. So yeah, and I need to put this shirt away. It's Caleb's. So yeah, and Javier, he doesn't get off until 11. So yeah, and I need to get another cough drop because I finished the other one. And drink some more water too. So yeah. Look at this wine, this bottle. So cute. It says I love you in all different type of languages. So yeah. I'm just chilling. Just chilling. I want to make that video, but I think I'm gonna have to wait until Caleb is asleep to do it. And most likely he's gonna go to sleep around 8 because he's fussy. But we'll see. So yeah. It's gonna be time to close the blinds. So yeah. And then we were trying to get Caleb to crawl, but it didn't work. So I will probably get back to you guys when Caleb's asleep, or hey guys, it's 8:36. Caleb's in bed. And I was watching a TV show with them, but I don't like watching that type of stuff, so I stopped watching it. So now I'm just watching YouTube and looking at Macari. Because why not? There's this bike. I searched up bikes on Facebook Marketplace. And there's this bike that looks really cool. It's foldable too. Are those mini? No. Let me see. It's a foldable bike. Let me see if I can find it. It's so cool. That's what it looks like. It has a basket and everything. Look at the seat. You've never seen a bike with that type of seat before. I'm gonna show Javier that. I wish it was in black though, and not blue. I mean, it's for adults. But the last time we ordered a bike, we got scammed. because we didn't know it was gonna be scammed. So yeah, so I'm just watching YouTube and chilling and, you know, all that fun stuff that I do. Chilling on this comfy new blanket that I got yesterday. And I have a sore throat and a cough. So yeah. That's why my voice sounds weird. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to watching YouTube and videos and stuff and hanging out. And then I'll vlog some more. So yeah, I'm gonna probably like upload this vlog because I'm just chilling like a villain. And yeah, I want to see if these mini stamps work. I can show you guys these because I don't get why they're so hard to open though. I've opened this case like one time and I can't open it, which is weird. Oh, there it goes. See, this one doesn't have the spongy thingy. Look, doesn't have it. It has it. So oh, it's sticky, so I can just stick it back on. I'm gonna take this paper out. This paper. If this stamp pad doesn't work, I can use my actual stamp pad that I have for my actual stamps. I'm probably gonna test it. Okay. Let's test it. Hold on. I'm gonna test it in my YouTube journal. Let's see in the back, like on the very back page. Let's see. I'm gonna use my least favorite one. This one. Oh, it works pretty good, actually. Interesting. Well, that's nice to know. Well, if it didn't work good, I probably wouldn't have got it. But I wouldn't have known. I'm just like wiping the paint off of it so it doesn't go everywhere. So yeah. Yeah. So like I was saying, I'm probably gonna most likely end the vlog here. I've been vlogging since what? I don't know. 3? That's pretty good. Because it's still like in day, you know. I'm gonna put all the yellow ones and all the pink ones on one side. Cause I just feel like it's gonna look better that way than having all of like 2 pinks and 2 yellows on both sides, you know. So yeah. And then it has this is what it looks like. Oh dang. So yeah. Oh. So yeah. And the reason my hair looks different is because I parted it different. Like, I put the middle part off to the side, like in high school. Like, it's right here now, instead of right smack in the middle, like right here. My hair's a mess because I need to take a shower and brush it. I haven't brushed it since I got out of the pool, which is nasty, but you know, things happen. You can't really control those things, but you know. Oh no, you can't see it. I'm probably gonna block that out. No, I'll just leave it. You guys got like a little sneak peek of my stationery. So I'm gonna upload this vlog and watch more YouTube. I would vlog longer, but I don't know what else to vlog, so yeah, so thanks for watching. Please click like. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys my new bracelet. Look at it. It's the colorful one. There. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.